Everyone is looking beyond Netflix, building their own personalized streaming systems. Three platforms dominate this space, each with a radically different approach. We have Stremio with its open-ended add-on ecosystem, Plex, which evolved from a simple server into a subscription service, and Jellyfin promising everything for free. I tested all three to see which one truly delivers on its promise. Here's what you need to know. 1. What they are and how they work. Their core functions reveal their philosophy. Stremio is an aggregator. It doesn't host content. Instead, it uses add-ons to pull streams from various online sources into one clean, unified interface. It requires no personal media library. Plex transforms your own media into a polished, Netflix-style experience. You install the Plex media server on a computer, point it to your movie and TV show folders, and it handles the rest: metadata, artwork, and organization. Jellyfin is a direct fork of the original open-source Plex. It offers the same core server functionality as Plex organizing and streaming. Your personal media collection, but commits to keeping all advanced features completely free. 2. Setup and usability. The setup process highlights their target audience. Stremio is the fastest. Download, install a few add-ons, and you're watching in under 5 minutes. No server setup is needed. Plex requires more effort. You must set up the server software, organize your media files, and create accounts. Its interface is the most refined and user-friendly. Jellyfin has a setup similar to Plex, but runs entirely offline. Its interface is functional but less polished. 3. The critical trade-offs: cost, privacy, and performance. This is where your priorities decide the winner: cost and business model. Stremio is free. However, its add-ons often access content from third-party streaming and torrent sites, which operates in a legal gray area. Plex uses a freemium model. Basic streaming at home is free, but critical features like mobile sync, hardware transcoding, and most importantly, streaming outside your home network are locked behind Plex Pass: $6 a month, $50 a year, or a $150 lifetime fee. Jellyfin is genuinely and permanently free. All features, including hardware, transcoding, and remote access, come at no cost. Privacy. Plex requires an internet connection and phones home to validate your server and collect anonymous playback data. Jellyfin is entirely hosted. Your server, your data, zero tracking. It can run completely offline. Stremio is open source, but the privacy of individual third-party add-ons is unknown and unverified. Performance: Stremio streams instantly, as it's pulling from existing online sources. Plex offers beautiful hardware transcoding, optimizing video for different devices, but only with a paid Plex Pass. Without it, your server's CPU does the work, which can be inefficient. Jellyfin supports free hardware transcoding, but requires more technical knowledge to configure properly. The verdict: which one should you choose? The best platform depends entirely on your needs. Choose Stremio if you want instant plug-and-play, access to a vast library of content without managing files or a server, and you are comfortable with the associated legal gray areas. Choose Plex if you have a large personal media library and want the most polished, user-friendly experience for your household, and you are willing to pay a subscription to unlock essential features like remote access. Choose Jellyfin if you are privacy-focused, technically inclined, and want complete control without any subscriptions or tracking. It's for the user who values ownership and freedom above a slick interface. Closing and support. If this deep dive helped you avoid a costly subscription or find the right tool for your needs, it would mean a lot if you supported the channel. There are 2 simple, free ways to do that.